Bucks. Slang for dollars. This jacket cost me $50. Can you lend me a few bucks for lunch? Quid, UK. Slang for British pounds. I'll give you 10 quid for that shirt. The dinner cost me 20 quid. Grand. Slang for $1,000 or pounds. The car repair cost me $2,000. I saved up $5,000 for my vacation. Dough. Informal word for money. He's making a lot of dough from his new job. I need to save some dough for the trip. Bread. Slang for money. He earns some serious bread as a lawyer. We need more bread to pay the rent. Cheddar. Slang for money, often cash. He's raking in the cheddar with his business. I need to make some cheddar before the weekend. Moolah. Informal word for money. I don't have enough moolah to buy that new phone. She's saving her moolah for a vacation. Favor. Slang for a £5 or $5 note. Can you lend me a Fiverr? I found a Fiverr on the ground today. Tenner. Slang for a £10 or $10 note. I gave the taxi driver a tenner. I owe you a tenner for lunch yesterday. Loot. Informal word for money, often a large sum. They made a lot of loot from selling their startup. He lost all his loot in a bad investment. Chump change. A small or insignificant amount of money. This bonus is just chump change compared to my salary. I'm not working for chump change anymore. Stack. Meaning, a large sum of money, often $1,000. He's sitting on a stack of cash after his promotion. I saved up a stack for the down payment on the house. Greenbacks. U.S. Slang for U.S. paper money, dollars. I don't have any greenbacks on me, just my card. He flashed some greenbacks to impress his friends. Cash cow. A business or product that generates a lot of money consistently. Their online store is a real cash cow. The movie franchise turned into a cash cow for the studio. Break the bank. To cost too much money or to spend more than one can afford. Buying that car won't break the bank. I want to enjoy my vacation without breaking the bank. Make a killing. To make a large amount of money quickly. She made a killing selling her artwork online. He made a killing in the stock market last year. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money is not easily obtained and should not be wasted. You can't buy everything. Money doesn't grow on trees. My parents always told me that money doesn't grow on trees. A penny saved is a penny earned. Saving money is just as valuable as earning more money. I try to cut costs wherever I can because a penny saved is a penny earned. He believes in the saying, "A penny saved is a penny earned," and invests wisely. Nest egg. Money saved for the future, often for retirement. They've built a nice nest egg for their retirement. I'm putting aside a nest egg to buy a house one day. Money talks. Money has a powerful influence and can help get things done. In the business world, money talks when making deals. They got the project approved quickly because money talks. Payday. The day you receive your wages or salary. I'm excited for payday so I can finally buy that new phone. Everyone is in a good mood on payday. Pocket money. Meaning, small amount of money for personal expenses. I give my kids pocket money every week. He saves his pocket money to buy new toys.